Hello guys, we are back with another flood escape video. Again, get my gravity coin, my dash, and trophy. I just use it to celebrate. And flood shard, still. What the? Oh, I didn't tap anything. I mean, it's like, I don't have all the points in the world. It's got 159. But 159 is a lot of wins. That's why I got this trophy to celebrate. That's cool, right? Oh, dang it. Here I come. Alright, guys, I'll pause this. Alright, guys, I'm in easy mode. I tried to go in hard mode, but the carrier was full. So that's why I'm in easy. Alright, guys, let's do this. Let's hope I pass this. Made that jump. I can make it. I made it. What's this dude doing? Alright, let's do this. Haha. Shortcut. Easy movements. Yeah, the gravity phone makes everything. He's coming. He's the one who doesn't have a gravity phone. Alright guys, the dude finally made it. Somebody's gonna hit that button. I'm not. Yeah. I make a shortcut like this. I made it. I got this. I got this. Yeah. Oh, you already did. Good job, dude. Oh, almost failed. Yeah. I don't need to worry about myself. I can do this. I need this to stop the portal. Oh. We're gonna make this. We are gonna make this. We made it! Yeah! Awesome! Alright guys, we are in hard mode. Oh, look at this. Uh-oh. Not this. I hate this kind. You jump on these things, but you can't jump very high. You just reach the roof. It will give you no time. I can make it. Can I make that jump? I mean, how does people do this though? They're so. We're here on medium mode. I died so quick on hard, guys. That was so funny. Alright. So we're supposed to go in this way. You guys can already tell I played this game before. Oh man. I should have waited till he just landed. Now I just died. That was not cool. Here we are, guys, on easy mode. The intermission's coming. The game is ready. Oh crap. Time to make a shortcut. He can hit that button. I'm just going in. Alright, come on, guys. And we wait all day. Oh, someone already hit the button. That was quick. Passing the zombie was quick. Yeah. Let's do it. I'm gonna make it. I am gonna make it. 5 players left. Somebody else dies. It's gonna be 4 left. Alright, come in, dude. You just gonna stand there and die, or oh, he's waiting for him. I'm coming. You guys might want to hurry up. It's flooding up quick. Come on, come on. Alright, guys, I thought this wasn't cooling. Alright, well, cooling messed up. Room 3? Is this room 3? I don't know. But it doesn't matter. The real matters is that we win. Hope you guys are liking this video. It's very good. Alright, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Oh, I made it. Yeah. Somebody touch that button, right? Cause I ain't going over there. Oh, crap. Guys, we're gonna have to hurry this video because the phone's going down. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As soon as I pass this stage, I'll get done with it. I can do it. We can do it. Right. Oh, baby. Uh-oh. Yeah. We can do it, guys. We can do it. Alright. Let's do it. Yes. Alright, guys. That was the last one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below the notification of the video. I will keep on making videos and I'll never stop. Bye, guys. Love you guys so much.